Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. As you may or may not know, I've gone over the 1,000 subscriber mark now. I haven't actually heard anything off YouTube yet regarding monetization, but I know I won't make a lot anyway. But hopefully, I've been out today because I saw it advertised and I thought it was a good deal of saving about £85. And it's small, neat and easy to carry around. I know one or two of you people use this, so I've saved £85 on it. So I've been out and bought myself a little Osmo Pocket. It was £244 and I used my Argos card, so I've got 6 months to pay it, which I think is very good. So I'm looking forward to using that one. It's very small, neat. I've seen the quality of them on YouTube. So what we'll do is we'll unwrap it and we'll have a look at it. I've just got to wait for the attachments. There's some attachments you can buy in a kit. Just got to wait for those to come in, so I'll pick them up another day. But I picked that up not long ago, so I'm looking forward to having a look at it. Right, let's open it up and have a look. Right, so you got all the bump on the back. I should have put my new reading glasses on really. But it's got a 2-year warranty. Accidental hardware damage coverage. It includes water damage and free from two-way shipping, whatever that is, I have no idea. So you got your Google apps stores, so you can download stuff on that. Right. Can we get into it? I suppose what I should do is fetch an half up, shouldn't I? Bear with me a minute. Right, we've got it cut now, he says. Well, that's to one side. Right, let's have a look at the little nitty thing. The gel, the instructions, how to charge it, etc. So you got 2 lots of Osmo Pocket. This must be a charge cable. Which it is, yes. And a hand strap, and I think that goes to your phone, so you can use your phone as a bigger screen. Haha, I'm really looking forward to this. Wow, that's smaller than what I thought it would be. Wow. So it's got a nice hard case. I easily slip in your pocket. What we'll do is we'll have a read of the instructions. We'll give it a charge. Can't believe how small that is. That's unbelievable. Right, so what we'll do is we'll charge it up and we'll give it a try. I'll put an SD card in it and hopefully we're well away. Right, I'll see you later on. Neat little bit, isn't it? Right, so I've given it a bit of a charge. That's the button you press to activate it. Ooh. And it's doing what it wants. It's a slide screen for, oops. I need to have a bit more play on it. And it shuts down nicely, but I'll have a little play on it, just set it all up to English. Bear with me. Right, so I also got the Pocket accessory kit, which has got the wheel, the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth adapter and the holder, and I think it's got an SD card inside. So we'll have a look at that. Only diddly. That's the wheel and the button. That's like your GoPro holder kind of thing, isn't it? Read about that one. And that's supposedly your Wi-Fi stroke charge unit. The only problem I found out is that it's only designed for either USB-C or USB-C fitting at the bottom, which is the round one, or a flash. So what I'm waiting for is an adapter from USB to, been watching on YouTube, and you can do it to mini USB, so I just need an adapter for that. And you can plug it, because you can't do anything until you've plugged it into your phone to activate it. If I click English, it tells you it's got to be connected to a phone to activate, and it shows you, which I didn't know that. But it's one of those things. Well, I might try and put it on there and see whether it let's just try something. I go to the DJI app I've downloaded. Bluetooth. Settings. Bluetooth on. Right, so it's found the Bluetooth, but you can't activate the camera through the app on the phone unless you connect it that way with the adapter that'll come tomorrow from, hopefully it'll work. Quite annoying that, because I didn't realise that had to be, didn't work on USB, mini USB. It don't fit, which is not good. And they don't show you that adapter, don't give you that adapter. So we'll persevere tomorrow when I get that little adapter from Amazon. Rightio. Right. So I've got the little adapter. It's USB-C to mini USB. The only trouble is you have to stick it onto the original fitting there, So it leaves your phone hanging out by that much, which isn't good. I'll show you. So we'll slide that adapter into there. We slide that onto there, which leaves you that much stuck out. It's not quite like they show it on the videos. We've already set it up anyway. So you physically move up a bit. Turn on your phone, it says. And it automatically opens up the DJI camera thing, app. So it goes to camera mode. So I've already downloaded the latest firmware and everything. And you can take photos, video, slow motion, everything else through that. But that's the only way you can activate this, is through the DJI app on your phone, which I didn't realise. So what I'll do now is we'll end this video here. We'll have a little play about with it, but as you can see it's working quite well. And we'll do another video of what I find and what I think of it. Close it down. Right, it tells you disconnected, and I can disconnect the adapter. But at least I got it set up anyway. So I just need to know, play about with it and learn how to use it. Right, that's what I've got, and I've just got to learn how to use it now. So what we'll do is another video at a later date and show you, I'll take my glasses off, and show you how I've gone on with it and how it works, hopefully, and some video clips. Right, if you like this little video, I know it's a bit of a rambly one, but it's just thought I'd show you what I'd bought to hopefully make my videos a little bit better. If you like what you see, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and also if you aren't subscribed and you like what's on the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.